Hi there, welcome to Shahy's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher Shahy. First of all, I want to say Happy Ramadan to all my lovely viewers. I hope that your Ramadan is beautiful and perfect and blessed. So this is Esol Thursday, okay? It's part 2 of lesson 3 of daily routine, and I hope you enjoy it. It'll be something extra for you, so you can talk about your daily routine easily. Let's do this. So our lesson today is going to be for the verb do. Do is when we do something, when we use action. Okay, it can be anything. So how do we use this verb do? I do, you do, they do, and then what happens next? She does. Did you see it changed? He does. And it does. Okay. It can be anything. Okay. It can be a dog. It does that when it sees people. It starts barking. Okay. For example, I do the cleaning on Saturday. Okay. He or she does nothing all day. They do all the painting on the weekend or at the weekend. Okay. If you want to put any more examples down for he does, she does, it does, they do, I do, you do, then you can do that on my Facebook account. Okay, I will put the link below so you can connect with me, and it will be wonderful. Okay, and we can look at examples together. So the next part we're going to look at is the past tense of do. What is the past tense of do? Do you know? It's did. Did, okay? I did she did the cleaning on Monday, okay? He did the dishes last night. She did her accounts in the morning. Okay, so those are the examples. If you want to put any more down, then feel free. Okay, the past participle of did is done when the action is complete. Okay, the action is finished. Here are some examples for the use of done. How do we use it? Okay, I've done my homework. It's complete. Okay, he's done the report. Okay, he has done a good job, or she has done a good job. Okay, so that means that they completed the task and it was very good. You've done a good job. Well done to you. Okay, well done to you for learning. So what happens when we use do as a verb plus a noun? Okay, I do the dishes in the evening. Okay, do replaces the word wash the dishes. Okay, I do the dishes. I wash the dishes. So we don't have to use wash, we just use do. Do the dishes. I do the lawn. Okay, that means I get the lawnmower out and then I mow the lawn. Okay, so I do the lawn. Yesterday I did the lawn. Okay, the lawn's done now. What else can we use it for? We can say I do my face. Okay, when you put on your makeup, or maybe you don't. Okay, so I do my face, or I did my face. Maybe you went to a beauty salon. Oh, they did my face as well. They do my face when I have my hair done. Okay, you can have your hair done. Oh, before we go out, I need to do my hair, which means I need to comb it and tie it. So here we didn't use the verb comb. It was replaced by do. I do my hair. So you can ask somebody, have you done the dishes? Have you done your homework? Did you do your homework? Does he fix cars? Does she fix cars? Okay. Do they allow dogs in the restaurant? Of course not, but hey. Anyway, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, connecting, subscribing, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Please do. Anyway, I wish you a beautiful month of blessings. Take care Stay safe. Okay. And don't go out if you don't have to. Okay, take care. Bye.